Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today we are going to talk about guys notification setting in our Realme phone guys. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you on your app notification. Guys you want notification guys on your screen, so guys you can on your app notification. Example for guys, you want to on guys your YouTube notification, guys your Google notification, your Instagram notification, and guys your Chrome notification on your screen. So you can on it. And guys now let's see how to on apps notification in our Realme phone. In this video guys I will show you. So first of all guys, open your phone setting guys. Let's start the video. Second guys, what will you have to do guys, you can see guys in notification and in status bar settings. So guys tap here. Third guys, click on manage notification. And guys fourth, so which app guys notification guys you want to on guys, like Chrome notification guys you can on from here. Guys your compass notification guys, your contact notification guys you want to on, like your Facebook notification guys you want to on, guys your Google file notification, like this Google and Gmail notification guys, Play Store notification guys you want to on. So guys you can on from here guys. So which app guys you want to notification, so guys you can on from here, like YouTube notification, setting notification, recording notification, Prime Video notification, photos notification, phone pay notification. So like that guys you can on it. So guys when notification will come, so as you can see on your screen. So I hope friends you have understood how to on app notification. So that's it guys, bye bye friends, thanks for watching.